While checking out this phone, its main feature, plastered all over the box, are the stereo speakers. It consists of a dual speaker with DTS enhancement, one speaker at the top and another at the bottom, which is a pretty neat positioning since this will allow the phone to achieve its surround sound effect. Let's just try it out and compare it with a higher end cell phone, for example, the Honor Magic Light 6. We go on YouTube, just see the volume, and all I can say is that it sounds good. Let's see here.